Okay, I'm back now. Here's everything laid out on the bench. This is my little Facebook Marketplace tool score. I got quite a bit of stuff. I only paid 25 bucks for all this. The guy, older gentleman, was trying to get rid of a bunch of extra stuff he had. So I asked him what he wanted. I just rummaged through the stuff he had and filled that little box there, and he said 25 bucks, and I said sold. First out, we'll start with the screwdrivers. First one is a quick wedge from Salt Lake City it was made in. Next up, we have a Crescent USA, just a little flat blade, another flat blade, Stanley USA made. He had these wrenches all bundled up. He had them for $2. They're just little Craftsman what do they call them? Ignition wrenches. Big wrench in the back is a Craftsman 15/16 by 1 inch combo or box wrench. Double V series, USA made. He modified the end of it, he said, long time ago to do a job. Next up, we got some nice wrenches. We got a Craftsman 5/16 USA made. Craftsman 3/8. These have been used, but they're all USA made. Here's a double line V. Here's a 7/16 inch Craftsman. V inverted V, USA. Up next, we got another 7/16 Craftsman, double V. Got a couple of SKs next. SK tools, good stuff, 9/16 combination, and a 5/8 combination. Here we got a Proto Professional combination, 9/16, manufactured in the US. Couple of larger 3/4 inch Craftsman, double line V, 11/16 V inverted V, nice shape. What do we got next here? We got a Blackhawk, 1/2 inch by 9/16 open end, forged alloy steel, US. Kind of going fast here to get through this. Got quite a few tools. Proto Los Angeles. That's an older one. Looks like 3/16 and 7/16 and 3/8. Old Williams combination, 11/16. Fiddle focus. Bear with me, this is my first ever video, USA. Got some other Craftsman wrenches here. What do we got here? Hard to read through the camera lens. 3/8 double line V. 3/8 7/16 single line V. box wrench. Craftsman 7/16, USA made. Here is a Taiwanese made bench top. I don't know much about bench top, but I threw it in there. It didn't seem like bad quality. We got a Barkalow 1/2 inch 9/16 box wrench. Didn't say USA, so I'm thinking it's not USA made. Let's see. We got a, looks like Proto Professional. It's very hard to do with one hand. I need a tripod if I get into this. Proto, manufactured in the USA. Big boy here, Armstrong USA Armalloy. And it is a 3/4 inch. Very nice chrome on this wrench. Last of the wrenches, Proto Professional 11/16. Little ratchet. Next, Craftsman, pretty decent shape. 1971 patent numbers on it. There's several different patent numbers, so I'm assuming this is from the early 70s. Nice little thumb wheel on it. Works good. Quick release. And a very nice 3/8 Craftsman USA breaker bar. Very nice. Looks like it hasn't been used that much. Little Proto adjustable wrench, Professional USA. Nice shape. And he had some sockets. The best score in the sockets were these. There's 4 snap-ons and a Williams 3/4. The snap-ons were 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, and 5/8. They were the older snap-on in really nice shape. What do we got here? Some Craftsman. Whoops. I guess it would help if the camera was aiming towards the what I'm trying to show everybody. 24 mil. Just 4 of them. Or 5 of them. Some other Craftsman metric and regular. And that's it for my little first ever $25 tool haul. Oh, wait a minute, I might have missed this. It's Craftsman single line V 7/8 12 point. Nice socket. And that's it, guys, and gals, or whoever happens to watch this video. Let me know what you think, if I should continue doing this or not. Take care, everybody, and that's all for now.